Hey guys, Rudy Washington, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can access a library of sound effects absolutely free, and we're going to do it on YouTube because it ensures there's not going to be any copyright violation, right? So here we are inside of YouTube. To get this free sound effects, you just want to go up to your icon at the upper right and click on Creator Studio. And when you're here, you're going to see a menu on the left hand side, and you're going to click on Create. And then we're going to click on Audio Library. And inside of that, you have a section for the music library and a section for the sound effects library here. You're also going to see a large selection of sound effect files. So you can select them by category or your favorites or featured. And that's pretty much the whole process, guys. So now you have a large library of sound effects you can access and add to your videos, all free from YouTube. Rudy Washington here. Visit my channel. It's here for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Peace.